Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna break down my entire landing page, the various elements that make it highly converting, and I will equally teach you how you can build something similar in order to boost your email conversions rate. So my name is Boris, and for the past months I've been helping business owners and founders scale their business with email marketing. So the first thing I would like to say in this video is simplicity is the key to email conversions. Now, what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is you don't need these fancy or eye-catching landing pages most people are building on the internet, okay? Like what you simply need are the four key elements I'm going to break down in this video, which are the various elements that make my landing page highly converting. And the first element, okay, the first element is the title. Now let's get back to the landing page. The title. Now, obviously, your landing page must have a title, but you don't write this title in any way. Now, what do I mean by this? What I mean by this is you need to frame your title in such a way that it includes or it taps into your ideal client pain points. Okay. Now let me take a brief example. Instead of saying something like subscribe to my email marketing email list, okay, you could say something like, as I wrote here, my new email system all mapped out. Or you could say something like the 21 word email that will get you clients. Like what like this such a title taps into your my battery soon low. Such a title taps into the fact that your potential clients aren't getting enough clients, okay? And so a title like the 21 word email that will get you clients will obviously catch attention. That's the reason why your title must be framed using the pain points of one of your ideal clients, okay? Now the next element we have here is the offer description. Now, in the offer description, as you can see, you could have a visual just below the title, but the offer description is basically a way to incite people to incite people to even want more what you are offering, or what you like incite people to want more what you're offering as lead magnet. Like, let's take the example here. Get the exact framework plus video breakdown used by coaches, consultants, founders, course creators, agency owners, and entrepreneurs to make 100K per month from their email list. Just an email and it's all yours. Like when you have such an offer description, it's gonna like it pushes people to want even more. Like how will I say it? It pushes people to want more of your lead magnet, okay? And so it's very important. Now the next element is the CTA. Obviously, you would want to have a CTA, which is basically the subscribe button. And obviously, you have a very short form. And okay, and that's what I recommend. Make your form as short as possible. Like, you don't want to create so much friction that could prevent subscribers or potential subscribers from signing up to your email list. And so you could simply ask for an email, or if it's too much, a first name and an email, and your CTA button. And again, your CTA button should have enough contrast. Like, they should have enough contrast between your page and your CTA button. Like, if I place a CTA button that is gray, like, it won't make sense because users are not going to see the CTA button, which is a major problem. And so a good color could be the black or the blue button, which creates which creates enough contrast needed in order for my CTA button to be seen. This leads us to element 4, which is social proof, which is very important. You want to include social proof, like results you've gotten from past clients or testimonials that will push even people to want to sign up to your email list or to want to grab your lead magnet, okay? Because remember, people are like Thomas in the Bible. Okay, people want to see results before they kind of engage into something which might cost them their time, or because yeah, which might cost them their time and their energy. And so social proof is a very important aspect. And at the bottom of the page, you could include social links, but this is kind of optional. And so yeah, to recapitulate, you need four elements: the title, the offer description, the city, and social proof. And so that's it for this video. So yeah, if you want me to, I don't know, if you want to interact with me on Instagram, there is the link to my Instagram in the description. Or if you will want me to go through your email marketing system and why not help you scale it in the best possible way, you could simply book an audit call in the description. And yeah, that's all for this video. Ciao.